welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to create timeline visuals in Notion. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to create timeline visuals in Notion, all you got to do is simply go to Notion. Once you're in your Notion, you need to simply tap it on and get signed in into your account. Now, if you want to create timeline visuals in it, you need to use the built-in timeline view by adding it to a new or existing database that has at least one date property. Start and end dates work the best. You can either type timeline on a new page or add a new view to add a database, and select timeline to see projects laid out chronologically, allowing you to drag and drop tasks to adjust schedules, group by properties, and add details like sub-events. So this is how you can simply create timeline visuals in Notion, which will help you work effectively. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.